Hi, Amy with Be Green with Amy, and today I'm going to update you on my tower garden. I'm really excited because this is the first year that I've ever really gardened, and Rick has been very helpful with it. We did go to Hawaii for about a week, so it was neglected, but still growing strong in a lot of areas. So our rosemary survived even though it didn't get watered, and these scallions are popping up, getting more of them. All I did was buy them at the farmer's market, and I cut the tops off to use in my salad, and I planted them in here, and they just keep growing, kind of like perennial. That's kind of cool. Collards are growing strong. I'm really excited because the peppers have finally turned red and they're ready to harvest. I think I'm going to harvest this one right now. I'm just going to go over here and clip that off. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to put that in my basket. Let's see what else. Oh, I have some black tomatoes as well, so they've come. And we're in a lanai here, so it's screened in. So all the flowers that we have from our flowering plants, like the peppers and the tomatoes, what we did was took a Q-tip and we pollinated the flowers ourselves, since we don't have bees or butterflies and so forth coming in here. Let's see what else we have. Oh, these cherry tomatoes. I'm so happy and excited because we have a lot of them coming in here too. Some more black tomatoes there. Oh, let's see. I'm going to come back here and turn this around a little bit. I think I'll take a couple of cherry tomatoes off too. So I think I'll just pick them like that. And some of the lettuce we already harvested, so we're going to be putting some other things in these slots. The basil it was doing very well, and then it kind of dried up because it wasn't watered while we were in Hawaii, but it's coming back strong, so I'm excited about that. And oh, look, we have the Swiss chard that's popping up. Let's see what else. The cilantro, it's going to seed, so we'll have to think about what we want to put in that slot too. We've got a lot of cool things growing, and I'm really excited about it. I think I have some thyme back there too. So this is what the pepper looked like before they turned red, and I like them red, so I wait till they get red. That's really exciting. Got a lot of things growing here. Somebody gifted me Meyer lemon tree, and it's so cute. It's so small, but yet I couldn't believe how big these lemons got, and how such a small plant could hold such a big fruit that's so heavy. And we'll probably plant this in the ground soon, but I can't wait for these to be harvested because that's going to be exciting to have our own lemons. And we have a couple of fig trees, a couple orange trees back there. So really excited about the oranges being ripe. We've been eating the figs all throughout the past few months. So it's not too difficult to be a gardener, even if you haven't had much experience. There's so much information out there. I think that if you don't have too much room, the tower garden is the way to go. I think we're going to be doing some square foot gardening next season. So please leave some comments below and ask me questions or tell me what you do. And even if you have some basil in the window, grow something, because it's not hard to be green, and the fresh vegetables and herbs, they're the best for you because they have the most nutrients. When you pick them fresh, they have the most vitamins and nutrients, and when you grow them yourselves, you don't have to worry about the pesticides and chemicals. And until next time, remember, click here to subscribe, and be strong, be well, and be green with Amy and her garden. Bye.